Alright, so once you get the diagnostic code running, there's some different numbers that you get into. This one is on 0. 0 on this machine is lights and buttons test. 1 is a wash compartment, fills it up with water up to a certain amount. It automatically stops at like 130 something. 2 is a bleach compartment, it also pushes water through. 3 is softener compartment, it puts water through that. This one's the stain compartment, it also puts water through. And then door unlock. Now I can go ahead and open this door with that door unlock even with water inside of it. So if you want to have a bucket ready if it's overflowing up to here, I had it up to here, I had to catch all the water when you open it. There's 5. And then 6 is the heater motor. I'm not really sure what that does. I think it spins the motor around. Heater and motor. Then you have the recirculation pump on 7. Just kind of spurts the water around. And then there's a concentration pump. You can see CP on 8. The 9 drains it. And drains that water right on out if it's working. And then it goes into spin mode, so it's drain and spin mode. So I'm going to let it spin a little bit, kind of get that water out of there. And 10 is drain pump, is all valves on. So if you really want to fill it with water, do that. Then 11 is the air history. And it also does an unlock as well. So I'm going to go back to rinse to drain it. And that's it for the diagnostic modes. I'll put the codes in for this particular model. There's all different models that have different... I don't think that drained all the way. But that's the spin test there.